Are you tired of making mac and cheese that just doesn't hit the spot? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Amy's Organic Mac and Cheese. First up is Amy's Frozen Meals, mac and cheese made with organic pasta and cheddar cheese. This one caught my attention right away because it's made with organic ingredients, which is a huge plus for health-conscious folks. Priced around $3.99, it's a single-serving meal that you can trust to be both delicious and nutritious. If you want a creamy, satisfying mac and cheese, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Amy's uses house-made organic elbow macaroni, which means you're getting quality pasta that's not just filler. The creamy cheddar cheese sauce is smooth, making every bite melt in your mouth. Plus, it's a good source of protein and calcium, so you can indulge without the guilt. It's soy-free, tree nut-free, and non-GMO, catering to a variety of dietary needs. With over 10,000 sold in the past month, people are clearly loving it. Now, some people mention that the portion size is a little small, especially if you're really hungry. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a quick snack or a side, it's perfect. But if you're expecting a full meal, you might want to grab 2. Product number 2, Amy's Broccoli and Cheddar Bake. Next up is Amy's Frozen Meals, Pasta Bowl, Broccoli and Cheddar Cheese Bake. This one really caught my eye because it has gluten-free rice pasta and a deliciously creamy cheddar sauce. Priced similarly to the last one at around $4.29, it offers a unique twist on classic mac and cheese. If you're looking for something a bit different, this is definitely worth considering. So here's why this matters for you. Made from scratch, the gluten-free rice pasta is a fantastic alternative for those who can't have wheat. The addition of crisp organic broccoli florets adds a fresh crunch and a burst of nutrients. Topped with toasted gluten-free breadcrumbs, it elevates the whole experience. With another 10,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many people are enjoying this option. However, I did see some complaints about the texture being a bit mushy if overcooked. But honestly, if you follow the heating instructions, you should be fine. Plus, the flavor makes up for any minor texture issues. This is perfect for you if you're gluten sensitive and looking for a tasty alternative. Skip this one if you want traditional mac and cheese without any veggies. For $4.29, it offers good value with nutritious ingredients. Product number 3, Beecher's World's Best Mac and Cheese. Now let's talk about Beecher's World's Best Mac and Cheese frozen box. I mean, when a product calls itself the world's best, it's hard not to be intrigued. Priced around $6.99, it's a bit on the higher side, but if you're craving that indulgent comfort food, it might be worth it. If you want a rich, cheesy experience, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Beecher's mac and cheese is crafted with a blend of high-quality cheeses that create a creamy, luscious sauce. The 20-ounce size means you can share or enjoy it all yourself, no judgment here. It's a fan favorite, and with 5,000 sold recently, it's clear that people are obsessed. That said, I did see some reviews mentioning that it can be a bit greasy. Now, I'll be real with you. While it does have a rich taste, it might not be the best choice if you're watching your fat intake. But if you're just looking for a treat, it's hard to argue with that flavor. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a decadent mac and cheese experience. Skip this if you're health conscious or prefer lighter meals. For $6.99, you're paying more, but it might just be worth that indulgence. Product number 4, Amy's Chili Mac and Cheese. Next up is Amy's Frozen Meals Chili Mac and Cheese Pasta Bowl. What's not to love about chili and mac together? This one caught my attention because it's made with organic rice pasta and a perfectly spiced vegetarian chili. Priced around $4.49, it offers a unique flavor combination. If you want a comforting dish that's a little different, this is worth your time. So here's why this matters for you. The blend of chili and mac means you get that hearty comfort food without feeling weighed down. It's gluten-free and made with non-GMO ingredients, so you can enjoy it with peace of mind. Plus, this bowl is convenient. Just heat and serve. With 4,000 sold recently, it's a popular option for busy folks. Now, there were some complaints about the spiciness being too much for some. But here's the thing, if you love a little kick, you'll definitely appreciate the flavor. If you prefer something milder, you might want to skip this one. This is perfect for you if you love chili and want an easy meal option. Skip this if you're sensitive to spice or prefer classic flavors. At $4.49, it's a solid investment for a quick, satisfying meal. Product number 5, Amy's Rice Mac and Cheese. Last but not least is Amy's Frozen Meals Rice Mac and Cheese. This one caught my eye because it's made with rice pasta, making it gluten-free while still delivering that classic mac and cheese taste. Priced around $4.29, it's another delicious option for those with dietary restrictions. If you want a gluten-free mac and cheese that doesn't skimp on flavor, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The rice pasta mimics the texture of traditional mac while being gentle on your stomach. The cheddar cheese sauce is rich and creamy, making it a satisfying choice for cheese lovers. With over 3,000 sold in the past month, it's gaining popularity among gluten-free eaters. However, I did see some reviews mentioning that the flavor isn't as robust as traditional mac and cheese. Now, I get it. If you're a mac and cheese purist, this might not fully satisfy you. But if you're gluten sensitive, it's a great alternative that still offers a comforting experience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a gluten-free mac and cheese fix. Skip this if you can tolerate gluten and want that classic flavor. For $4.29, it's a reasonable price for a gluten-free option. In summary, we've covered Amy's Organic Mac and Cheese, Amy's Broccoli and Cheddar Bake, Beecher's World's Best Mac and Cheese, Amy's Chili Mac and Cheese, and Amy's Rice Mac and Cheese. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with Beecher's World's Best Mac and Cheese because of its incredible flavor and comfort food appeal. However, I'd avoid Amy's Rice Mac and Cheese if you're really craving that traditional taste. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.